making a difference, not just about, oh, who's talking about them or what award they're winning or what's happening, but in our beauty routine, just like TATCHA. So I'm going to bring Miss Jennifer out here because, Jennifer, your game-changing technology story is about how you've taken these unique ingredients. Hello, love.
Hi.
Happy Newsmaker and Game Changer Day.
Thank you.
How we've taken all of these ingredients. I had nothing to do with it. They've done all the hard work, along with their technology, and truly bringing us product that has paved the way. You've been pioneers in this world. But I want to tell you what we're doing here because this happens to be our big deal. We're launching it tonight during Beauty Newsmakers and Game Changers. It is brand new and the price is going to go up on the 19th of February, which, believe it or not, is now right around the corner. How did this month fly by? You're getting everything that you need for beautiful skin, starting with the essence. And a lot of people now are talking about beauty waters or different types of product. The first people to do it was TATCHA and the essence. That alone is $110. Let's just put another less than a $5 bill on the counter and you're getting everything, including the $89 water cream. This makes that work even better, and we're going to show you how. But I'm telling you, in our meeting today, I think every single person in the meeting talked about the Kissu Lip Scrub because it's not just thrown in there as a little like afterthought. It is in there because I don't know how my lips would have survived this winter. I really don't. It's been tough. It's snowing again. And whether you're in a warm climate, a cold climate, or anywhere in between, we only have basically for this big deal moment $3,200.
Oh, that's not a lot.
It is on auto delivery, so you can lock into that price where every single time you see this come to you, and that would be 4 months from now, just when your skin needs that reboost again, you are saving $112. And I looked at this and I thought, if I could name this in our Beauty Newsmakers and Game Changers show, it's kind of like that jacket they wear on SNL. You only get in this group if you're like a big deal in more ways than one. Is I called this everything we need right now, starting with the essence, which is basically worth the price of the whole kit.
Yeah, so it looks like water, feels like water, but it's anything but. This took 7 years to develop. If you take a look, it really is just very, very straightforward. It's a liquid. After you cleanse your face, before you're putting anything else on, you're gonna take this and then just press it into your skin, into your face. What this does, it'll increase the hydration.
And I love what you just did. Don't waste any. Neck,
no.
decolletage. If there's any left on your hands, don't waste it.
Exactly. Well, here's the thing. Stop whatever you're doing. Look at your screen, because every person immediately showed improvement in the hydration. 620%.
Right, say that again, because that wasn't how I feel. In this case, this is an expert grader.
Correct.
Right?
This was measured, and they are using nothing else but the essence. Now, the other thing this does is helps to improve the efficacy of everything you use after. But if you take a look at the expert grader evaluation, look of skin plumpness, improvement in the skin texture, the lines and wrinkles. Every person, this is immediate. This is after 1 week, and after.
Twice a day for 1 day.
2 times a day.
Two times a day for 1 week. It takes you seconds. Also, we don't say the word skin plumpness very often.
No.
In fact, we don't say it. I can't even say it.
We got special approval.
I can't even pronounce it. That's a big deal. So 300 have been ordered today.
Wow.
Many of you adding it in your cart right now. And this is what the essence is all about. It seems so simple, but this is why it's a game changer. It literally changes the way anything else on your skin works.
It doesn't matter what brand you're using. And of course, we love to put it in all of our bundles, especially in this deal today, because this is like your anti-aging hydration trio. Amy pressed it into her skin and she's already feeling hydration. She doesn't really need anything else for her skin, but we have the water cream. So I'm gonna, as soon as she's done applying that, I also wanna show you a really beautiful visual of what the essence does.
Okay, so now Amy's skin has just gone next level. Are you feeling dry? Are you seeing texture? Is your beautiful makeup not going on well? Like you just got that gorgeous Laura Geller blush? This is what you need. And if you think about it, at $227 for a 4-month supply, that means you only have to buy this 3 times a year. That's a great item and a great number. We've got it at a big deal price of $114.98. We only have 3,100 to go around. And please go to auto delivery, because guess what? In just a few days, this price will go up. And if you're gonna buy it again, it could be at the QVC price of $139. Okay, I love a good visual.
This is a good demo.
And that's why you guys are game changers. And you don't get in the show unless you've really been vetted in a really big way. And this is why.
Jade.
It's true. I mean, I'm just telling the truth.
Well, so get in really close. This top line represents the top layer of your skin. Everything underneath represents the deeper layers of your skin from here all the way down. I'm going to apply the essence on the skin. Now, this is all superfoods, like I said. So we're talking about akita rice, uji green tea, and Okinawan red algae. These are fermented to really unlock its potential. Now, what I am applying next is going to represent all the serums, creams, and moisturizers that your skin is going to take in.
So it would be our water cream coming on next.
Correct. Now take a look at this. Now, come on in. Do you see all these veiny channels and openings that you, right here? Thank you, yes. Look at that. This is channels and pathways that the essence has opened up on your skin, inside the skin, so that everything can go where it needs to go to get that efficacy done. Because if not, you're probably getting stuck on top of your skin.
And that's why you see those results that people saw with this TATCHA. And usually, like if we sell the essence, we're excited, and that would be 110 on its own. But then you couple it and you partner it with our water cream, which is light and fluffy and airy and just draws everything into your skin. This is the way to change your skin. This is why we're calling this show Beauty Newsmakers and Game Changers. And the water cream, I have to grab mine.
And
it is
super
just,
sized.
I mean, it's souffle on the face. It really is, and even better.
Such a good way to describe it. After 2 weeks of use, every person agreed that their skin looked and felt smoother. 90% of our users also showed their skin felt hydrated, balanced, and not oily. Now, also, if you have concern around the pores, this has ingredients that are going to help your skin.
Look at that. I mean, it's
so
gel-like. It's fluffy. It's amazing. You get that wonderful little scoop. And by the way, you don't need a lot. I know a lot of times with beauty, we start thinking, let's pile it on. Little goes a long way from here to here.
Yeah, exactly. I can take that all the way up my arm. Now take a look at this. Do you see how it's kind of jiggling a little bit? I want you to pay attention to the texture, because if you were to take a look under the microscope, what you would see is compacted water bubbles. Those water bubbles are encapsulating all the actives that are going to get released onto the skin. We're talking Japanese wild rose, Japanese leopard lily, anti-aging superfoods. Now, you can even feel the texture changing underneath your fingertips because it's literally like a splash of water. Getting close, I have my phone here. The reason I'm doing this here is because my skin would absorb everything you see. But if you actually did get this at home, you'd be able to see it on your skin as well. Now, there's a little bit of water cream. I'm gonna go ahead and pop all those water bubbles, and give me a moment.
Look.
Do you see those? Do you see the water beads there?
You guys see all of that?
Yes.
That's water beads.
Those are balloons popping. It's releasing the active. It's fresh. It's going right into your skin. Your skin's just drinking it up.
And even better with the essence. But we only have a minute left, and we've already had today over 500 ordered. And what a big deal means before it's gone. The price will be gone. We only have a certain number that we're able to bring in. It really is elevating your beauty routine. But last but not least, we have the product. And I know you might say, oh, they threw a little lip scrub in there. Oh, no, we didn't. I really was never a lip scrub girl. And this year, my lips have really taken a beating. And this has changed the game. They are so much better. Right, Amy? 1,000%.
We love this. We love this. Because I thought, I'm like, I don't really need it. They're like, well, you're selling it, so you're going to have to like it. But I love it. I really love it. So after immediate use twice a day for 1 week, over time, you're getting results. Every person showing improvement in the rough texture of their skin, the lip flakiness, moisturization. And you're able to exfoliate, but still add that hydration because we have a base of camellia oil binding up the gorgeous corn jackfruit and the Japanese peach seed that is going in to slough away all those dead skin cells that Amy's doing right now.
I mean, it's so satisfying. It feels so good, but it's never too much.
No.
Because it all comes from these amazing ingredients that have been proven for hundreds of years in Japan, and we're just lucky enough to find it now, coupled with all the technology. Yes, you want to kiss everybody.
Look at the color come alive on her lips.
And if you did get our buddy Laura Geller's lip and blush,
I love her lip and blush.
Must have. Everybody pretty much is going to auto delivery, and that makes so much sense. I believe, other than our new face, I think this is the only auto delivery in the show.
Ooh,
I know.
jump on it.
So like lock into auto delivery, because in about a week this price goes up and it's hard to find the essence. And this is the first time we've coupled these three together in a true game changer. You're saving $112 every time it comes your way. I love my favorite line for you today. They told me I had to love it because I was selling it. I'm like,
But I
you
do.
are hilarious, and now we all do. Okay, Dermalect, 1,200 ordered today. This is a clean